What's up, everybody? It's Ghost Lightning here with another video here today. And today we're gonna be doing something new. We're going to do a unboxing video. Right here. I haven't did an unboxing video yet, so this will be my first unboxing video ever. So yeah, let's unbox this thing and let's see what's inside. Well, we know it's, yeah, but let's see. Bubble wrap. Oh, okay. Bubble wrap is kind of my least favorite, but I like the bubble wrap, so let's pop some before I show you guys. I'll probably give this to my cat to pop, but it's good to pop. Okay. For the reveal of the new headset, here it is. Wait, what is it called? Phoenix. So, phoinikas? Phoinikas, or I'm just gonna call it Phoenix because it's a Phoenix logo. As you can see, hold up. As you can see, it's a Phoenix logo here. It looks like a lion a bit, but it's camo with Phoenix on it. With the Phoenix on it. And it is. Wait, doesn't hold up. Yeah, it's, yeah. If you want to make it a little bit more higher, here it is, and close it. And here's the mic. Wait. Where's there we go. And there it is. Open. It's a little camo, but. And we have foam here to protect your head. Foam here to protect your ears too. Here. Okay, I'll test out the sound for you guys. I'll just disconnect it to my controller here. Ooh, it has two pairs of that's two sets of things. This thing there, and the regular plug-in. So I am gonna take this off. There you go. This was on it. I know why this was on the this was on here. So if you do this and take it off. Okay, let's test this out. Just need to plug this in. And there. And then hold it. Let's just, there we go. And here, go to, wait, oh, it's right down here. So go to music. Look, what is this? Oh, yeah, okay. Let's go to music right here. And then I'll put, yeah, let's put one of my favorites. One of my favorites here. Let's put here. Huh. Okay. It has, if I put it on, it has echo, so that's good. But it has I think it has volume settings. Let me just let me adjust the volume if there is volume. Because hold up. Huh. Oh, yeah, there's volume. Okay. It has sound. This has a lot of sound. Honestly, this is worth it. Um, yeah. If you wanna and if you wanna get it, here's the name. Hold up. I'm not putting it better. There we go. Here's the name now. Take a screenshot if you want, or if you can't read it. It's PHOEN. So no, it's PHOINIKAS. Okay, I'm probably not reading it right, but take a screenshot if you can, and zoom in. It's right there. It's probably backwards for you guys, but it works, I guess. Yeah, probably backward for you guys. I don't know. I don't know if it's backward for you guys or something. No, it's right way. It was the right way the first time. Okay, so take a screenshot whenever yeah. And buy it for itself. It's a cool design, and it says design headset. No. So gaming headset, yeah, this is a gaming. Honestly, it's pretty cool. It's camo. It has the logo of the headset. Honestly, pretty, and it's comfortable. It's comfortable and it's pretty loud. It has an echo. Um, so it's pretty. And it comes in bubble wrap. I'm probably gonna give this to my cat to pop it. It's just pop a few though. There you go. Oh. It's oh, I'm not gonna read all this. Yeah, I'm not gonna read all this. So, and it comes with another set of extra set of plugins um for your headphones. So this is come in handy. And yeah, I suggest you to buy this if you want, but I know I haven't tried it yet. Well, I just tried it now, but I haven't tried it in a game. So yeah, um, yeah, I think if you want to buy this, check it out. It's I showed you the name, and I'm gonna try to put the link in the bio. And yeah, so that's my first unboxing video, and see you next time. Ghost out. Peace.